this video, we'll be looking at the wider EQ settings: presence, resonance, tone, and tilt. First, we'll be playing a DSL-40 to explore how you can use the power amp EQ settings, presence and resonance to fine-tune the high or low frequencies in your sound. We are using the ultra gain channel and all the controls are set to 12 o'clock except the one we're using. We're going to start with the presence setting. Turning the dial anti-clockwise decreases high frequencies, giving a more subdued sound. As we turn the dial clockwise, we boost the high, mid, and high frequencies. You can use this to create a livelier sound and make the high frequencies more present. We'll now look at the resonance setting. Turning the dial to the right, we subtly boost the low, mid, and low end frequencies, increasing the deeper bass tones. As we then turn the dial to the left, it decreases these frequencies to provide more clarity for the low end in your sound. Now we'll be using one of our vintage amps to look at the tone setting, which controls the treble in your sound. When turned to the right, this will softly increase the treble and add bite. Turning the dial to the left reduces treble, taking the edge off your tone. Finally, we're going to use the origin to show the tilt setting. This control blends between normal and high treble sound. When turned to the right, it blends in a higher treble sound, adding a higher frequency brightness to your tone. Turning to the left blends in lower frequencies to subtly add depth to your tone. Once you understand the wider EQ settings, you can start to mix both the standard EQ and wider EQ to create a tone that suits your style.